What's going on, guys? BDG Crypto here. If you like crypto mining, if you like crypto, hit the subscribe button, hit the likes, leave us a comment below. In today's video, we are going to be doing a little maintenance. We got to do a fan swap on this L3 Plus. We had a bad fan on there, and as some of you may know, those things will not run if one of the fans are not working and being detected. They'll just shut down. They won't hash at all. So stick with us while we replace that fan. Alright, so we got the L3 Plus out here. We're gonna get this fan all swapped out here, so let's do that. New fan there. Grab a screwdriver real quick. Just wanna undo these guys. Go unplug it from over here, and it's disconnected. Pull this little guard off, screws will come out, junk fan gone, and new fan on. Make sure you get these, you know, they have these back plate here that should identify which way the airflow is going and so on, so make sure you remember how you took it out, or just do it opposite of the other one, that way it's going the same way, you know. So we'll put these screws back in here and line this guy up. There's one. Two. Three. And 4. Cinch those up. And there we go. All tight. Now we're gonna take this cord here and plug it back in. And there we go. Alright, let's plug this guy in and see if the new fan is working. And there we go. It's working. There we go. It is happy now. And that's a fan swap for you guys. Thanks for sticking with us. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the likes, leave a comment below. We will see you guys on the next video. Appreciate it, guys.